The evolution of digital finance, particularly through cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, has spotlighted blockchain technology's critical role. A pivotal aspect in this evolving landscape is Bell 2, a sophisticated advancement within blockchain. Bell 2 stands at the forefront of enhancing blockchain's capabilities, offering new dimensions of efficiency and security. Today, we're delving into an innovative solution in blockchain technology, the Bitcoin Elastos Layer 2, or Bell 2, which aims to revolutionize the way we use Bitcoin. More than digital money, Bitcoin, introduced in 2009 by an anonymous entity known as Satoshi Nakamoto, marked the beginning of a new era in digital currency. At its core, Bitcoin is a type of cryptocurrency, which means it's a digital or virtual form of money. Unlike traditional currencies issued by governments, Bitcoin operates independently of a central authority. It's created through a process called mining, which involves using computer power to solve complex mathematical problems. The decentralized nature of Bitcoin not only challenges the conventional banking system, but also introduces a new paradigm for secure global transactions. The real magic of Bitcoin lies in its underlying technology, which is blockchain. And a blockchain is a distributed ledger or a database that is shared and maintained across a network of computers. This technology ensures the integrity and security of data. When a Bitcoin transaction occurs, it's recorded in a block of data and added to a chain of previous transactions, hence the name blockchain. Each block is linked to the ones before and after it, creating an irreversible and unalterable chain. Alright, so to fully understand what this video is about, and before we dive deeper into the Bitcoin Elastos Layer 2, I wanted to take a quick moment to tell you about the project Elastos itself. A few weeks ago I've made a video about that specific project, and between then and now it has introduced Bell 2, a Bitcoin Layer 2 network, which also made the price skyrocket. So if you want to be early again, then make sure to subscribe to my channel to get the best projects delivered to you. Right, at its core, Elastos is a pioneering blockchain BTC Layer 2 Internet OS designed to provide a secure environment for decentralized applications or dApps to thrive. Unlike traditional systems, Elastos ensures unparalleled security and privacy for its users, making it a standout player in the cryptosphere. And it achieves this by creating a separate, isolated environment for every application, thus mitigating risks associated with hacking and unauthorized access. And Elastos envisions a future where the internet is a safe space for users to conduct transactions, share information and interact without fear of cyber threats. The project aims to establish a new internet infrastructure, one that is decentralized, secure and user-centric. By eliminating single points of failure and adopting a peer-to-peer network structure, Elastos intends to create a truly democratic digital ecosystem. Now Elastos introduces Bitcoin Elastos Layer 2, codenamed Bell 2, a Layer 2 solution for Bitcoin, signifying a significant evolution in its journey. Bell 2 is a progressive element within the blockchain ecosystem, analogous to a software update that optimizes the performance of a computer system. Bell 2 introduces refined algorithms and protocols to streamline blockchain operations. And this enhancement is not just a mere upgrade, but a transformative approach to how data is processed and secured in the blockchain network. Bell 2 represents a groundbreaking integration of Elastos Smart Web technology with Bitcoin. It employs zero-knowledge proofs, BTC-powered Ethereum virtual machine smart contracts, and Elastos staking mechanisms to enhance Bitcoin's capabilities. Bell 2 addresses some of Bitcoin's long-standing challenges. It significantly improves scalability, allowing more transactions per second. Programmability is introduced through EVM smart contracts, enabling complex decentralized applications on Bitcoin. Additionally, Bell 2 enhances transaction privacy using advanced cryptographic techniques. In Bell 2, transaction verification is made more secure and efficient, reducing the potential for fraud. This is achieved through a sophisticated relayer-based mechanism, ensuring that transactions are transparent and tamper-proof. Bell 2 will enable decentralized services to flourish through a digital currency that users are both familiar with and trust, which is Bitcoin. And such services could cover the provision and exchange of any asset type from intellectual property to financial instruments, all delivered and assured directly between parties concerned. This means that both parties will now be at liberty to define their own terms of business with no reference or requirement of a third party, and to assure the integrity of the same through the Bitcoin validated smart contracts. For instance, historically, financial services have been provisioned by third parties, intermediaries who don't necessarily stake their own assets, but those loaned to them by depositors. The interests of banks don't always align with the interest of the public. The being your own bank, as Elastos likes to call it, is about having the option to eliminate intermediary to obtain financial services and products that corresponds to your needs. Now let's look at BEL2 a bit more specific and look at its architecture first, because it's important to know what it consists of. There are three key features, which are zero knowledge proofs, relayer and staking mechanisms, and smart contract capabilities. In BEL2, zero knowledge proofs are generated from Bitcoin transactions, allowing the verification of their truthfulness by the layer 2 network without disclosing transaction details. To transmit these ZK proofs to BEL2 smart contracts, it's necessary to use relayers. And these relayers are also responsible for validating the transactions from the Bitcoin network. Relayers are incentivized and regulated through a staking mechanism, ensuring network integrity and reducing the risk of malicious behavior. Unlike Bitcoin's original scripting language, BEL2 introduces more complex smart contract functionalities such as Ethereum virtual machine logic, allowing Bitcoin users to enter with proofs and opening up Bitcoin Layer 1 to a wider range of decentralized applications. BEL2 is secured by Elastos Smart Web's DAO Council members, the Cyber Republic, who are voted in annually by its global community using ELA, its Bitcoin Merge Mined Reserve currency. Okay, so let's look at an example how value is leveraged within the Bitcoin ecosystem by using BEL2. Party A sends Bitcoin to Party B, and this transaction creates a zero knowledge proof that relayers pass to the BEL2 network. The loan provider smart contract receives this proof and sends a value representing the 1 BTC on the layer 2 network to the user. So the user gets the represented value for EVM services and is able to repay that loan using the BTC that they had and deposited on the layer 1. All this time, the initial BTC does not leave layer 1, it's just merely being utilized to enter layer 2. So in short, BTC on layer 1 can be collateralized for credit lines in layer 2. Swaps on layer 1 are being streamlined for asset exchanges on layer 2. And finally, BEL2 provides a layer 2 platform that provides secure and private trading of digital content rights, from access and distribution to royalty, powered by Bitcoin. And before we move on with the video, I want to remember you all that I'm not a registered financial advisor. My videos are meant to be educational and entertaining only. Always do your own research by using tools discussed in other videos. Now, in the event that you do become filthy rich, it's important that you safeguard your crypto. And the best way to do this is by using hardware wallets. My choice of hardware wallet is Tangent because it's so convenient. All you need is your phone and a card to be able to utilize the hardware wallet. I've made a dedicated video on it, which I'll link down below as well. Be sure to check it out, and if you want to buy their hardware wallet, make sure to use my coupon code to get an additional 10% off. Also, a big shout out to the Elastos team for sponsoring this video and their trust in me. Right, let's go to the next topic of this video. What's also good to know is that BEL2 operates under a decentralized governance model managed by the Cyber Republic's DAO. This allows for community-driven development and decision making. The economic model of BEL2 is designed to incentivize participation and security through ELA staking. And by building on Bitcoin's robust security, BEL2 positions itself as a key player in the emerging smart web economy. This integration promises to bring unparalleled security and efficiency to digital transactions and applications. So looking ahead, BEL2 is poised to be a catalyst in the blockchain arena, potentially reshaping how we interact with the digital assets and online transactions. Its integration could lead to more resilient financial systems, enhanced privacy protocols, and a new era of digital interaction. The question remains, how will industries adapt to and leverage this advanced blockchain functionality? Be sure to follow Elastos their socials, which I'll link down below. That way you will always be up to date to the latest developments and able to follow along with their journey into offering a more transparent, privacy focused and better future for you. And I'll see you guys next time. Doei!